In this video, I'm going to be giving you full details on how you can revamp your wigs at home and get a professional look. So make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. Subscribe! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. It's your girl Saccy back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see by the title, you already know what I'm about to be doing. If you're new here, hi, I'm Saccy. Welcome to my channel. I make videos about beauty and lifestyle, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't make it your last visit, and if you have not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. So this is new year, I decided to revamp some of my wigs, and I'm brushing out the wigs. It's so important to brush out the wig first for it to be smooth, because if you wash the tangle hair without brushing it will shed so much when it's dry and you start brushing. So I'm going to wash my wigs with shampoo and conditioner, and I'm using Mega Growth shampoo and conditioner. I really like this pack. This is what I'm actually using for my natural hair also. So I'm going to wash it out, then I'll be back. I wash it off twice with shampoo before using conditioner, and I'm using lukewarm water to wash it off. After washing and rinsing it, I'm going to make sure all the water in the wigs are drained. So I'm going to use a towel to drain all the water remaining in the wigs. So these are the products that I'm going to be using for the revamping. And to get a professional outcome, I'm going to mix more than one conditioner. I'll be mixing all these conditioners together to get the professional outcome that I actually want. And let me know your opinion in the comment section about this method. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And after mixing everything together very well, I'm going to apply the conditioner into the wigs. And I'm going to do this, I'm going to apply it generously into every part of the hair. Don't be stingy with it. If you are done with the one you mix another one, because this is what will bring all the coils out, everything that you want. This is actually what will bring it out, so make sure you apply it very well.
Baby, the sound of you
So when I'm done applying, I'm going to turn the wigs inside out and put it into a plastic bag. And I'm going to do the same thing to all the wigs. I'm going to turn it inside out and put everything into a plastic bag.
Pretty sure he don't wanna be my baby. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good, good life. That's what my therapist say. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess for your loving you. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess for your loving you. Nobody shows up unless I'm paying. Have a drink on me, just do the failing. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good, good life. That's what my therapist say. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess for your loving you. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess for your loving you. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine, just fine. It's gonna be a good, good life. I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user, I'm a mess for your loving you. I'm obsessed, I'm embarrassed, I don't trust no one around us. I'm a mess for your loving you. LA on a Saturday night in the summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and the rented Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I loving. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, 'cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help.
After putting all the wigs into a plastic bag, the next thing is to steam the wigs. So I'm going to need a hot water and a bucket. So I put everything inside the bucket and cover it up for it to steam very well. So after steaming very well, after 3 hours, I bring it out to wash all the conditioner off. So I wash it with lukewarm water. I wash it off very well, like there's no conditioner. I did not feel any conditioner again, and you can see everything is now smooth. You can feel it, even looking at it, you know everything is revamped already. So I wash everything out with lukewarm water. So make sure if you're washing out the conditioner, you wash it out, like wash everything out. So after washing off the conditioner, I rinse it off and dry it outside. Do not use blow dry, do not use heat, because you're still going to use it later when you're styling it. So just try it outside. And this is the outcome. The coils are back, everything is just bouncing now. So I'm going to use leave-in conditioner to style the wig, and also you can use your own conditioner. You can mix your own conditioners together. You don't have to use all the conditioners that I use, and you're still going to get this outcome. Just make sure that you are generous with heat. And I actually like the outcome. Everything is so cute now. So, and I only style 2 weeks on camera. I'm going to do the others off camera. And for this one, the waves are back. You can see it's all shiny now. I ended up doing the styling of the wig on my head. Doing it on the mannequin head was actually kind of difficult for me. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. See you guys later in my next one.